Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Cat 180 Revit Architecture. So, after a long time, I'm a little bit busy nowadays. Uh, let's start with the extrusions family, and I hope you already know that what is the extrusion. So, today we are going to discuss the total structure of the extrusion and how we can draw a drawing with the extrusion and the uses of extrusions we are going to see. Let's start with the extrusion. Today we are just doing for the extrusions only because there are some of my friends who just want to know about the extrusions and plane revolve swift or whatever their family is there. So they want it in a first of all extrusion. In extrusion you have to what you are going to do first of all, cancel the mode. You have to go to the component, then model in place. So here you have to choose the generic models. Click here and just choose a name HAUK, whatever you want, then OK. And after that you have uh, a box containing the extrusion plane revolve. You can see the lots of extrusions families there. So choose the solid extrusions. You can see the create a 3D solid by extrusion and 2D shape. Okay, so here just click it. So now the best thing is you have these options. You can see the line, rectangular, polygon, and polygon, circumference, polygon. This was the circle and the curve, and this the spline. So whatever you want to draw, you can easily draw this all uses with this tools, right? So here I just want to make a table, right? And TV if you want to make. So how it do, let's see. And just have a TV here, need a TV, right here. Yeah, so whatever you want to draw, you have to choose a close look, right? And if you want this TV in this shape also, so here so that one to right here. And just click it. Now you can see. So this is the way you just choose. Okay, right? So now here if you want to finish that, and you go to the level 1, you already have to level 1. And if you have a camera, right, so here take a look, you can see this portion we need to focus, right? So here confirm and choose a so in this way you just choose these extrusions, right? So the best way you just go to this part and whenever you just choose any type of extrusion to draw, you need to focus the planes, okay? Because if you are not selecting any plane, so it will be very difficult to make those extrusions in this particular. And go to the top view, right? I need to choose a column in this part. Architectural view, component, model in place, generic models. Okay, choose a set, pick a plane, click. So it will be very difficult. So here, in this way, here, just choose a plane from bottom, then go to the top, and now you just draw the extrusion. So I need the extrusion first of all in this way. Okay. So when you just apply the same type of extrusions, and first of all you can see I draw here the circular portion or circular loop, and after that drawing this circular big circular roof, I draw this small circular on in it. So it means this portion it is hollow, okay? And when I just click yes mode, you just understood. You can see the other portion. So the same type of family when you're going to use in the same edit extrusion model, so it will be the portion when you are it is taken as a hollow part, right? So in this right, let's see. Here I just in this way we just need to use this that. So the pen model I choose. So again, what is else in this drawing? First of all, you have to choose a generic model, then it's okay. Set a view, pick up plane. Need a pick up plane, so I choose this plane at the top of this drawing. So here the extrusion can see here the loss of option you can have here. So first of all, this, so after this drawing you just choose the diameter or anything you want. So here, so now before to finish this model, you have this diameter to set. So what you need the vertical axis move. So finish this mode. Now click on it. So if you draw these two extrusion in a same manner, so that's why when you're going to choose this one, so automatically another one is chosen. So here you need to put this right. Now the best thing is when you just go to edit in place and choose another thing and edit extrusion, then you just choose that and choose it on your own, and in which portion you want to make or to have a in any position you want to move, you can by click the same way, then okay, then finish, right? So in this way you just choose the extrusion. So extrusion not only choosing for this portion only, it is vastly using these tools. Okay, and if you need any type of design on this particular in the windows or anything, so you can choose this extrusion for drawing. Okay, so guys, that's all for the basic extrusion, and please check out, and please make yourself free to questioning me, and if you want to know anything about this, please ask me, and below the comment box, and I'm very much happy to answer you. So bye bye, take care, and please don't forget to subscribe guys, and bye bye.